My heartily wishes to all of you dear students. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to bisect an angle into two equal parts, and the second one is how to divide a straight line, uneven straight line, into equal parts. These two topics I want to cover today in this video. In the first case, here I am having some angle. How to divide this angle into two equal parts? I am taking my compass. By taking my compass, I am taking some length, whatever it may be. Choose by your own. You can take some length. By using compass, I can draw an arc like this. I am putting my needle at the apex point and I am drawing an arc like this. And similarly, here also I can draw another arc. After then, I am getting here a intersection point and here another intersection point. From these two intersection points, I can choose the same length by using this compass, or I can change the length, whatever it may be length I can change. That is my own idea. I can take the same length or I can change the length also, and I can draw like this. And in a similar manner, the same length we have to take and cut this previous arc like this. Then I got intersection point here. By joining the intersection point and the apex, I can divide the by given angle into two equal parts. Yes. Now this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, in the next case, I am interested to divide this line into equal parts, whatever it may be. I want 5 equal parts. So I am taking some angle, whatever it may be, choose by your own, and draw a straight line from here to here. The line should be divided into equal parts like this. Here I am taking 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am taking 5 parts line. So this line I can divide this line easily by using my scale, drafter scale. This is 0.1 and 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. You can name it as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. So here the chosen line is an even line. I can divide this line into 5 equal parts. So by taking that, by joining the edge points of this line, 5th point, and here our line which is to be divided. So by joining these 2 points, I can catch a line. After drawing this line, fix your drafter scale like this. Fix your drafter scale like this. And now you can move And by moving this daughter scale, now you can draw a straight line which is parallel to previous line, and then at the point 3 also we can draw another line, and at 2 we can draw another line, and at 1 we can draw another line. Yes, here the principle is similar triangles. You can observe that you can take this point as 0, and here this point is some A. So here the triangle O5A and O4 maybe 4 dash, O4 4 dash, and O3 3 dash, and O2 2 dash, and O1 1 dash. All these are similar triangles. So from the similar triangles principle we can understand that the lengths from here to here, here to here are equal. Then easily by comparison, the lengths here 0 1 dash, 1 2 dash, 2 3 dash, 3 4 dash, 4 dash A, all are equal. Here these portions are equal. Similarly here also these portions are also equal. So of course O1 is not equal to O1 dash, but directly because of similar triangles we are getting the lengths O1 dash, 1 2 dash, 2 3 dash, 3 4 dash, and 4 dash A all are equal. Thank you very much for listening my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you very much.